We have been hearing about climate change for decades, like global temperatures are rising, ice are melting, oceans are heating, but still, yet our daily actions haven't changed enough. Like we recycle, we use reusable bags, or we are taking short showers, but the planets keep getting warmer day by day. So I ask myself, what is the thing we are doing wrong, or we are missing the critical impact to change the global temperatures, or we are failing to keep the temperature stable, something. Okay, so here is the global data from 1880 to 2024. Like for 0 degree represent the baseline. Okay, so from, it's like you can see from 1950 to 1980, it's like around the baseline, or okay, so like, and from there it's like it's growing steadily for till 2024, and today we are 1 + 1 degree Celsius above the baseline. It doesn't look a dramatic change, as it's just or in terms of number, it's just a 1 degree difference. So a one, it doesn't in compare, if you compare into numbers, one, it doesn't make just that much difference. But look closer, the slope is hides a critical fact, is that warmer is accelerating. Okay, like let's see the let's see from data from the past 10 years. Okay, so this is the data from past 10 years from 1970 to 2024. Okay, so you can see is that this is a 10 years or average. Okay, so like you see, like there is a short-term fluctuation, but it's showing a clear and steady upward trend. This is no gentle slope. It's steep climb and happening now. Okay, so like the 1 degree rise across the earth presents or it's add an enormous amount of energy to the climate. So, okay, so if number alone doesn't move us, let's have we have here warm strips to represent. Okay, so like the blue line represent the cooler than a baseline, and white color is your baseline, and red is your warmer. Okay, so notice that last few decades are nearly all red. Okay, so that's what 1 degree looks like visually when we spread across the ocean, forest, and cities. Suddenly, the change is no longer visual. Okay, it's no longer in data or something like that. It's like in real, it's in visual, and it's alarming. Okay, so if people know the earth is warming, why the behavior hasn't changed more? I think there are reason for that, like 1 degree small feels small. It doesn't feel that huge, or it doesn't create that much impact according to the people or according to the humans. Okay, so and humans are tendency to report our response to the immediate threats compared to long-term threats. But if you look closer to this aspect, if you try to observe the things from the last 10 years, you will get is like the floods have increased dramatically, like heat waves have been more frequent or having become intense, and wildfires are catching every 1 or 2 or 3 years. We can see like we have this forest has wildfires in this country, the forest has got a wildfire or something like that. But in recent example is like the Hollywood forest or something, where the all Hollywood stars were living. That was a example when they get caught, the forest caught the wildfires, isn't it? So wildfires have also increased in the last 10 years. Okay, so like I was just having thinking like from my from I was like thinking like if you can feel change in your daily life, like when there was a time where we feel like there was a like there were fixed days or months where we have like we have fixed winter, we have fixed summer, we have fixed monsoon, we have fixed spring, but today we don't know because like if in the morning you just leave your house, it's you are having you you are in the having a bright or sunny day, and in the just after 2 hours you'll get rain, or you will get rain, and at the night you will feel cold. So today the weather has become unpredictable. A call with, and there is also still drastically you cannot predict the temperature as like in the morning you are having around 27 degrees, 26 degrees, like you're feeling warm. When it rains, the temperature is around 10 to 15 degrees. At night you're feeling cold, you get the temperature around 1 degree to 2 degrees Celsius. Yeah. Okay, so this 1 degree changes, it isn't small. It represents a massive shift in the environment. Because every fraction of degree is changes, it reshapes the weather, ecosystems, and human life. Because and that's why your choice matters. But they must target high impact actions like reducing the emissions, using clean energy, protecting the ecosystems. As we can see, this number is small, but it has enormous consequences in today's life, in today's new, and it can reshape the future. If we don't take timely action to this thing, our future generations are going to be, they are not going to have a clean ecosystem or fixed climate to live in this world.